Hey there, let's stretch for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, starting right now. Hey, I'm Preston, right into the stretching. Thank you so much for joining me today. 15 minutes of stretching, starting with the cross-body shoulder stretch. We will come to all fours, raise the right arm up to the sky, then thread it underneath the left, placing most of the weight into that right arm. You can walk your left arm forward. You can shift your weight back towards your heels. My, oh my, is my right shoulder very tight. Let's come up, do the other side. So all fours, reach up, left hand up to the sky. Thread the left underneath the right. Walk the right arm forward. You can shift your weight back towards your heels. Feel a nice shoulder stretch here, cross body, shoulder stretch. We'll stretch the arms and the shoulders later on, I think. 1 minute for each stretch. Puppy dog stretch. All right, so this one you come to all fours. It's kind of like a cow, but you drop your forearms to the mat. You walk your arms forward. Instead of arching your back, you arch instead of arching your lower back, you arch your upper back. So it's a nice stretch for the chest, for the lats. You still want to try and stick your butt up towards the sky, but walking your hands forward and lowering the top of your chest to the mat is kind of the key here for that puppy dog stretch. Just think of a puppy doing that fun and relaxing looking stretch that they do. We are outside today. It is a beautiful day. All right, 90-90 stretch, or as my voice to text thing just told me, 9,090. So 90-90 stretch. Let's do like a reclining one. So your right leg comes out to 90 degrees. Your left could be 90 degrees. So that's how I have my legs stacked. And then I fold my torso over my right. Try and kiss your right knee. And you just hold this for a few seconds. And then let's switch legs. If you like one of these stretches, you could pause the video and hold it for longer. Or if you don't like one of the stretches, you can use the chapters to skip forward. All right, happy baby. We got the puppy, we got the baby, all of the young things today. So you recline back, knees into your armpits, grab your somewhere along your shins, your ankles. You could grab your toes and you just rock, gently rock side to side. A nice massage for your lower back, a little hamstring stretch. You can make your legs as bent or as straight as you want. You could also do a straddle stretch where you lower your heels towards your butt and you just gently pull apart your knees. All right, let's do a heart opener. Come to your kneeling position, knees kneeling. You could also shift your weight back onto your heels, clasp your hands behind your back, pull apart, pull your hands back, your shoulder blades back, opening the heart towards the sky. You could also do this kneeling. You could look up. Keep that going. I just need to straighten out my mat a little bit. There we go. So really focus on opening that chest up, looking up but not like crunching your neck. Neck is nice and long, shoulders down and back. All right, grounded tree pose, another static pose. We sit tall with our feet together, kind of like a butterfly stretch, or cross-legged, or with one leg out to the side, stretching. So you just want to focus on really sitting nice and tall. Let me show you from the side view. So I focus on my posture here. My shoulders are down and back, trying to create a nice, straight, tall posture with whatever version you're doing. How often do you actually realize what you're doing with your posture? Probably hunched over a lot. All right, reclined half heroes pose. This one is a doozy for me. So you start with your one leg towards your heels, so your heels towards your butt, the other leg straight, and then you lie back, keeping that leg straight or knee bent, whatever works for you, and you lie back as far as you can go. The goal here is to recline all the way back, but as you can see, I cannot do that. You should feel a nice quad stretch here, and then we'll switch sides, reclining hero pose. So for me, the right heels towards the glute, the left leg is nice and long. My right quad is not as tight, so I can go back a little bit further, keeping the right and left on the mat. Nice work. Lateral lunge rocks. So first, let's start with kind of like a runner's lunge, and then we'll turn to face the side, and now we're lunging out to one side, and then we rock over to the other side. It's kind of like a Cossack squat, Cossack lunge, and you just shift your weight side to side, keeping both heels on the mat. How low can you get your butt while keeping your heels on the mat? You should feel a nice stretch through your inner thighs, your hips. Nice work. Open book. We'll do a reclining open book here. Legs come to tabletop. Open up your right, let your right leg fall to the side. And then when your right leg can't open anymore, your left leg falls over to close the book, and then we bring it back to center. Left leg opens the book, and then the right leg follows it. You could have your arms out to a T to provide better support. This one feels great for me, especially my right hip. Seated eagle arm spine twist. That's a mouthful. All right, so let's cross our legs, cross our arms right over left, and then let's do this again. And then we kind of twist our arms around so they're grasping one another, twist it up, and then you can twist to one side. You could also, let's see if I could do this correctly here. You could also twist with one leg straight, other leg bent over that opposite knee. That one's kind of intense for me, so I'll just do this twist here. You should feel a nice stretch through your upper back, kind of like what we did with the shoulder stretch at the very beginning. Stretching also the forearms here and the wrists. All right, let's do some wrist stretches. We will roll the wrists around. You can do whatever direction, you can reverse directions, you can do whatever you want there. We'll pull on the wrists like so a couple of times. And then we'll do a little bit more intense stretching. Let's come to all fours. So normally we have our fingers pointed forwards like so, but today we'll reverse the fingers. So the fingers are pointed behind us. However much you can twist those wrists, and then you can gently rock forward and backward, stretching out the wrists. Mobility for the wrists, stretch for the wrists. You got it. You name it, we got it covered for the wrists with all that typing. Let's do a little bit more shoulder stretching, but we'll stretch the arms kind of at the same time. So just sit up nice and tall. Reach the arms up to the sky. Left hand or right hand grabs the opposite arm, and then you bend over to one side. You should feel a nice stretch through your shoulders, through your side body. And then let's come back up. Reach up nice and tall. Switch the grip. And then pull gently. Bend gently. One more breath. And then come back up. Reach up. Lower the arms. Nice work. All right, Sphinx pose with chest opener. We will come to a Sphinx pose, so lie on down. Sphinx pose, your forearms are supporting your weight. Your chest is kind of curled up. And squeeze your shoulder blades together. Let's widen the arms so they're kind of on the corners of your mat. And then press up. Chest opens. Sphinx pose, extending the arms as much as you want or as much as feels good, and then lowering back down again. My battery is dying on the camera. We will see if we make it all the way through the recording. All right, inverted butterfly. So usually we recline and put our soles of the feet together. This time we will kind of widen our knees as wide as the mat. You could have your soles of the feet together like in a normal butterfly, and then you can rock back and forth, forward and back. Nice big stretch through the inner thighs, hip mobility. If the battery cuts off and the video ends, thank you so much for joining me. We're almost near the end anyway. But we are live, not live. We used to be live. Last stretch, child's pose. Knees as wide as your mat, or wider than your torso at least. Push your weight back towards your heels. Extend the arms out long. The chest falls in between the thighs. And we just hold this stretch. Maybe walk your hands to one side of the mat. And then the other side of the mat. And then back to center. And that is it. That was 15 minutes of stretching. Thank you so much for joining me. We do exercise videos of all types frequently. Check back on the channel for more. Have a great rest of the day. I hope you feel a little bit more mobile, a little bit more relaxed, some muscle tension gone. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. All right, bye now.